5 mistakes that kill good bacteria in your septic tank overnight. Your septic tank depends on healthy bacteria to break down waste naturally. These bacteria keep the system working properly and help prevent bad smells, clogs, and costly repairs. However, many homeowners unknowingly damage their septic systems through everyday habits. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you are wondering what kills natural bacteria in septic tank systems, here are the most common mistakes you should avoid. 1. Using too much bleach and chemical cleaners. Strong cleaners can quickly destroy the good bacteria inside your septic tank. Products like bleach, antibacterial soap, and drain cleaners are made to kill germs, but they also kill the helpful bacteria your tank needs. Try using septic-safe or natural cleaning products whenever possible. 2. Flushing non-biodegradable items like wet wipes, diapers, feminine products, paper towels, and cotton swabs do not break down easily in a septic system. These materials can block pipes and reduce bacterial activity. Even products labeled flushable may still cause septic problems over time. Only flush toilet paper and human waste. 3. Pouring grease and oil down the drain. Cooking grease and oil can harden inside pipes and septic tanks. This buildup makes it harder for bacteria to break down waste properly. Instead of pouring grease into the sink, place it in a container and throw it away after it cools. 4. Using too much water. Large amounts of water entering the septic tank too quickly can upset the natural balance inside the system. Too much water may wash waste out before bacteria have enough time to break it down. Fix leaking faucets, avoid very long showers, and spread laundry loads throughout the week. 5. Flushing medicines and antibiotics. Antibiotics are designed to kill bacteria, so flushing medications into your septic system can damage the healthy bacteria living in the tank. Never throw unused medicine into the toilet or sink. Use proper disposal methods instead. Understanding what kills natural bacteria in septic tank systems can help you avoid serious septic problems. Harsh chemicals, grease, too much water, medications, and non-biodegradable waste can all harm your septic tank overnight. Simple daily habits can protect the good bacteria in your system and help your septic tank last for many years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.